Welcome to Perry Tunes Kids Channel.
C-A-R-R-O-T, carrots crunchy, good for me. Gives my eyes so sharp and bright. Orange power day and night. Fruits and veggies, spell their names. Sing along, let's play this game. Healthy, tasty, fresh and sweet. Good for you and fun to eat. M-A-N-G-O, mangoes gold. Juicy, tasty, never old. Full of sunshine, soft and sweet. A tropical treat I love to eat. T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato red. Watch it glow in my salad, in my soup. Full of flavor, such a scoop. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana bright. Peeling up and take a bite. Gives me energy to run. Snacking on, it's so much fun. B-R-O-C-C-O-L-I, broccoli strong, don't be shy. Green and mighty, good for me. Makes me strong as I can be. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y, red and juicy, give it a try. Sweet and tart, a berry delight. Pick them fresh and take a bite. P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E, golden fruit from the sea. Tangy, juicy, fresh and bright. Tropical taste, pure delight. S-P-I-N-A-C-H, spinach green, full of iron, strong and lean. In my salad, in my stew, gives me strength in all I do. C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R, crisp and cool, fresh anywhere. Slice it up or take a crunch. Perfect snack for any lunch. Fruits and veggies, spell their names.